Why tiny New Zealand excel in rugby? Hey there, sports fans. Have you ever wondered why tiny New Zealand dominates the rugby world? I'm here to spill the secrets on why this small country packs a massive punch on the rugby field. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the fascinating world of Kiwi rugby. Let's start with the basics. Rugby isn't just a sport in New Zealand, it's a way of life. From the moment kids can walk, they're tossing around a rugby ball, dreaming of one day donning the famous black jersey. This early start builds a foundation of passion and skill that sets Kiwi players apart from the rest. 1. Rugby culture. Rugby is deeply ingrained in New Zealand's culture. This early exposure and passion for the game create a strong foundation for future success. 2. Talent development. New Zealand has a well-structured system for identifying and nurturing young rugby talent. This includes grassroots programs, academies, and high-performance centers that help develop skills and prepare players for higher levels of competition. 3. Rugby union structure. New Zealand Rugby Union (NZRU) is a well-organized and efficient governing body that effectively manages the sport at all levels. This includes investing in coaching, infrastructure, and player development programs. 4. Professional leagues. New Zealand has a strong professional rugby league, the Super Rugby competition, which provides top domestic players with the opportunity to showcase their skills and compete at a high level. 5. National team. All Blacks. The All Blacks, New Zealand's national team, have a long history of success and maintain high standards for performance and professionalism. The pressure to perform at this level drives players to continually improve. 6. Geographic factor. New Zealand's small population spread across a large area means that rugby becomes a unifying force, bringing communities together.
Let's delve into the reasons behind their remarkable success in this beloved sport. 1. Rugby's Maori heritage. Rugby has deep ties to Maori culture in New Zealand. Introduced by British colonizers in the late 19th century, it was swiftly embraced by Maori communities. They played it with a style that incorporated traditional Maori elements. To this day, many Maori players continue to excel. And the haka, a powerful Maori war dance, is performed by the national team, the All Blacks, before every match. 2. International dominance of the All Blacks. The All Blacks are widely regarded as one of the most successful rugby teams in history. Their impressive track record includes 3 Rugby World Cup victories and a winning rate of over 75% in international matches. Their on-field achievements have fostered a sense of national pride and identity around rugby in New Zealand. 3. Grassroots rugby culture. Rugby permeates all levels of New Zealand society, from youth leagues and school teams to amateur and professional leagues. Many Kiwis grow up playing rugby, and the sport is deeply embedded in local communities. This grassroots culture ensures that love for rugby is passed down through generations. 4. Physicality and toughness. Rugby demands strength, resilience, and mental fortitude. These qualities align with New Zealand's cultural values. The sport symbolizes the nation's tough and determined spirit, both on and off the field. 5. Sportsmanship and respect. Despite its physical nature, rugby emphasizes sportsmanship and respect for opponents. Players give their all but conduct themselves with humility and fairness. This ethos is ingrained in New Zealand rugby culture. 6. Legacy of great players. New Zealand has produced legendary rugby figures like Colin Meads, Jonah Lamu, Macaw, and current stars like Barrett and Savia. In summary, rugby's popularity in New Zealand is a harmonious blend of cultural heritage, international triumphs,